I woke up to an MTF signal this morning, and it did not meet my criteria for an automated trade, but I wanted to analyze it and show you how I'm using the tools at Material Indicators to analyze these trades. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not investment advice. This is not trading advice. So let's start by heading over to our fire charts. So as you can see, these are our fire charts, still in development, but this is a live chart and functional. I've got it zoomed in here so we can see a little bit better. You see some pretty significant support right here at the 6.48 level. And at the time, again, I didn't take this as an automated signal, so went in manually, had an opportunity at 65.33. And as you can see, not a lot of downside here, so that looks pretty good. A little bit of resistance here and a little more here. And if you can clear that, well, that's actually some decent profit. If it can clear that, then we've got some really nice upside here. Completely illiquid in this space. These voids are illiquidity, and that means opportunity. You don't want to see that to the downside, but to the upside, I like that. And so went in and scoped that out on the chart. And so, like I said, my entry point, 65.33. I gave it a little bit of room to where we saw that that support. That's potential for about 2.25 to the downside. And if we could make it all the way up to the top to that support at 0.071, that's a over 8.5% trade potential right there, upside potential. But we did see that that bit of resistance here. At this level, it's a block of liquidity from about 0.067 to 0.6820681. So even if it stops right here, that's still 3.25%. And as you can see, it's already made some headway. Made it about where are we at? 2.4. So that trade matured nicely, quickly. Locked in some profits with a trailing stop loss, and now we'll see if it makes it any further. If not, no worries. That's still a profitable way to start out my morning before I finish my first cup of coffee. If you want to learn more about what we're developing at Material Indicators, follow us in our Telegram community.